start off by making some spaghetti. And this is whole grain spaghetti. I'm just going to cook it according to the package, al dente. Pasta's in the pot. We're ready to top it off. And let's get on to the rest of this dish. This is going to be something quick and easy, and it's going to be delicious. You could do this indoors or outdoors. If you have a flat top style griddle, you know, do it outside. I'm doing it inside because I have a griddle. So whatever you have as far as cookware, you know, do you. Do it wherever you want to do it. It's going to taste good either way. So let's get into this. First, I'm going to start off by pan spraying my griddle. And then I'm going to add my onions first. I'm going to turn it down a bit. Let's see here. It's a bit hot, but that's a good thing. Put some chili powder on my salmon. I have some smoked paprika. Original dash. Lemon and pepper dash. And yes, we're going to dash it up. There's no salt in here, so we're going for it. I have some sea salt. I have some cracked black pepper. And then I'm going to take my utensil and I'm just going to pat it down. This is optional. I have 2 serrano peppers. I'm making my pasta a bit spicy. I like it spicy. You could use whatever peppers you like, or you could leave them out altogether. And give this a toss. Flip my salmon. I go ahead and add my shrimp to the griddle because they're going to cook up really, really quick. And for the shrimp, I do have 2 tablespoons of butter that's going on. 2 cloves of garlic. I did grate it. You could grate it or you could smash it. I'm going to add my lemon. Add a little bit to the salmon. But most of it is going on here. We want a nice citrusy taste to the pasta. I have my chili powder. I'm going to put it on here and also on my salmon. Smoked paprika. That's where the flavor's at, baby. Get that smoked paprika. Original blend dash. The lemon pepper dash. Sea salt. Some black pepper. Rub that down with a brush. Make sure it's all nice and mixed. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. I have my pasta right here. It's room temperature. So I'm going to go ahead and add a bit to the griddle. Give it a quick toss. Instead of having rice on the side, like a side of brown rice or steamed rice with some vegetables and then some shrimp and salmon, I'm just tossing this all together so you have your grains, your veggies, your shrimp all in one. You could toss it on the side as the side dish and have your salmon next to it. It's done and we're ready to plate it, and it smells delicious in here. Something quick and easy to toss together, and it tastes great. You can't lose with that. Try it out. You're going to love it, and I'll see you in my next video.